Okay, Netmi. Now you can do your presentation.
Okay, teacher. Hello friends, welcome to my science presentation. Our lesson is Unit 6 of Science, Sound and Hearing. What is sound? Sound is sense of hearing taken from a sense organ called ear. Sound is the produced by vibration. Okay. Next, I am going to talk about producing sound. The objects that produce sound are called sources of sound. First, producing sound by vibration in string. Second, producing sound by vibration air columns. Third, producing sound by vibration membranes. Okay. Now I am going to talk about examples from musical instruments that produce sound by vibration in strings. Okay, you can see this first picture. It is guitar. Okay, you can see this second picture. It is violin. You can see this third picture. It is sitar. Sitar. Now I am going to talk about example for musical instrument produce sound by vibration membranes. First picture you can see drum. Second picture you can see tabla. Third picture you can see udakki. Now I am going to talk about musical instrument that produce sound by vibration. Air columns. First picture you can see Horanava. Now I am going to talk about diversity of sound. Sound we can divide by two groups. They are natural sound and artificial sound. Now I am going to talk about natural sound. You can see this first picture. It is thundering. You can see second picture. It is water. It is water. You can see this third picture. It is natural sounds. They are also natural sounds. Now I am going to talk about artificial sounds. You can see this first picture. It is car. It is produced by artificial sound. You can see this second picture. It is plane. You can see this second picture. It is plane. It is produced by artificial sound. Goodbye friends. This is in the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening to me. And we are next going to
Okay,
watching an video.
Wait, Netmi. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
You pronounce the word vibrating as a vibration, and there's another word you mispronounced. That is artificial. That is not the word artificial in a way. That must be artificial. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
Tell me you can hear the sound.
Okay, I will tell you.
You can hear, teacher.
No, I can't hear anything. Can you explain it? Did you share the audio?
Teacher, you can.
Did you share the audio?
No, teacher. Teacher, can I explain it?
Yeah, sure. You can explain it.
Okay, teacher. Hello, everybody. Today we are watching a video, uh, Unit 6 of Science, Sound and Hearing. Okay, first we are describe producing sound. Sound is produced by vibration. Okay, we are going to now we are going to do some activity. You can see this first picture. It is bicycle bell. It is produced by vibration. Okay, we are going to another activity. We need a small drum and piece of paper. We can play it drum. It is sound is produce vibration. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to talk about sources of sound. Sources of sound. The objects that produce sound are called sources of sound.
Sorry for disturbing, okay? You must pronounce the objects.
Okay, teacher. The objects that produce sound are called sources of sound. Example, animals. Second example is vibrates type of object.
That must be various.
Third one is
That must be various.
various type of object. Third is musical instrument. Okay, now I'm going to talk about hearing of sounds. We can hear the sound of the drum only when the sound entered to our ear. Ear is the organ which sends sound. Ear lobe help to describe a sound into the ear.
Direct the sound into the ear.
Okay. Ear can be damaged by putting external object to each the ear.
It must be the
If the
ear. Okay.
Okay. If the ear is damaged, hearing will be weak. Okay, now I'm going to talk about this video, diversity of sound. Natural sound. Some sound that we hear in the environment are produced naturally. Okay, you can see these pictures. They are produced by natural sound. First, now I'm going to talk about artificial sound. They are artificial sound
that must be artificial. That is not artificial. That must be artificial.
Artificial sounds. They are artificial sounds that are made by man using equipment. Example, sound of a car, sound of a school bell, sound of an aeroplane, sound made by a guitar. Okay, you can see these pictures. They are produced artificial sound. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about music and noise. Sound that are sung or play it rhythmically are known as music. For example, sound created by violin, sound created by flute, sound that are not rhythmically are known as noise. For example, noise of traffic, noise of machines in a factory, noise in a car. When the sound of music is increased, it too can be described
Disturbance.
disturbance. Okay, creating equipment to produce sound. You can see these pictures. They are creating equipment to produce sound. Instrument which produce sound in the same way as a flute. These flutes. You can see these pictures. They are produce sound in the same way as a flute. Instruments that are produced as same as a drum. You can see these drums. Okay. Okay, everybody. I'm going to my next presentation. Okay, everybody. Hello, friends. Welcome to my health class. Our lesson is 7 lessons of a hair. Let us get used to correct food habits to lead a healthy life. Why do we need food? The energy necessary for the body is mainly obtained for the carbohydrates and fats in our food. For the growth of a body, protein in the food helps the body to grow. Apart from the vitamins and minerals are also produced for the growth of the body. To safeguard for diseases, we can divide by nutrition in a 2 groups. They are macronutrition and micronutrition. What are the macronutrients? They are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, fat and oil. What are the micronutrition? Vitamins are example A, B, C, D, E, K, and minerals. Okay. Point to consider when choosing healthy food. Natural
Natural value.
safe.
Sorry, nutritional value. That is not natural. It must be nutritional value.
Nutritional value, safe and accuracy.
No. Variety, sufficient quantity.
Sufficient quantity, natural conditions, freshness, cleanliness, food hygiene. Okay, goodbye friends. Thanks for listening to me, and this is my end of presentation, and let's go to the watching a YouTube video. Okay, we are going to watching the video.
You have to say we are going to watch the video.
We are going to watch the video. Our lesson is lesson number 7. Okay. Okay. We can divide nutrition are two groups. They are macronutrition and micronutrition. What are the macronutrition? Are carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, are fat and oils. Okay. Now we are going to describe micronutrition. What are the micronutrition? Vitamins and minerals. Okay. What we eat and drink to obtain our daily food requirement is the diet. Following are the main natural and factors.
Huda,
Carbohydrate
it must be nutrition and functions.
Nutrition and function. Carbohydrate. What is the function of the carbohydrate? Supply energy. What is the fats of the function? It is same. Supply energy. What is the protein? Proteins, bodybuilding and growth. Vitamins and minerals protects from the diseases. They are three types: energy giving, bodybuilding and protection. Okay, everybody. This is my end of presentation, and always thank for listening to me. Goodbye, friends.
Okay, very good. But let me, it is not good to use another's videos for your presentation. If you can prepare those PowerPoint in your slides, that would be better than you are playing others' videos. Okay? Okay, Netmi?
Okay, teacher.